is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Swagatam. This is the second half, December 11, Ramayana Bhagaha. This is 4:30 to 6, December 11. Let's do the Mangalacharanam. Ramo Rajamanis Sada Vijayate Ramam Ramesham Bhaje Ramena Veta Nishachara Chamu Ramaya Tasmai Namaha Rama Nasti Parayanam Parataram Ramasya Dasosmyaham Rame Chittale Sada Bhautame Bhorama Mudhara Rama Rameti Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattalyam Rama Nama Varanane Shri Rama Nama Varanana Onnamati. Okay. I think last time we were seeing on this shloka, which is the Ashtasaptatitama shloka, 78. So says that the Sobhikamya Mahatmanam Kutva Ramam Pradakshinam Nyavedayata me yatma Navedayata me yatma Nyavedayadda me yatma Drishtasititi Tattvataha Drishtasititi Tattvataha. So we did the Padacheda last time. Saha Abhigamya Mahatmanam Kritva Ramam Pradakshinam Nyavedayat Ameyatma Drishta Sita Iti Tattvataha. Okay. So you want to do the vibhaktis again first, Karthik? Try the vibhaktis. Saha.
Saha Prathama Ekavachanam Tad Pratipadikam Pullinga.
That's Pullinga, correct.
Abhigamya is the Twa Shabda with because of the
Twa Pratyaha. Twa. Twa Pratyaha. Okay. So now the Twa became Yap. See, many times before we've seen all the time now. That's First of all, the Samana Kritikayoha Purvakale, which is that if you have two actions, the prior one takes a Pratyaya Twa. I think all of you who have been following the comments and the examples coming every day, it should be straightforward to you now. Since we have 3, 4, 21, and so this is a very common sequence. And then after that, we use 7137, which is if there is a samasaha. In that case, we use samasanyang purvek tolyap, any samasaha except the nyantat purushaha. Then we use pratyalyap. So it comes in, I think, Gita, very first 2-3 shlokas itself. I think you can find this home. In the Gita, it says, Drishtva tu Pandava Nikam Yudhan Duryodhanaja Drishtva tu. So your Drishtva right here, you have the Pratyaktva. Upasangamya Acharyam Upasangamya Raja Vachanam Abravit. So in all these places, very, very common sequence. We see it many times. So Karthik, who is Saman Karta over here?
Saha Hanuman.
Saha Hanuman. So we have two of the sequence, and the Vyakhyanam on the Sutram says that Dvivachanam Atantram. Dvivachanam Atantram. You cannot mean that the it may have more than two actions also. If you look at the Vyakhyanam, you can say, Snatva Bhuktva Gacchati, Snatva Bhuktva Pitva Gacchati. So there might be 3, 4 actions. Doesn't matter. You can still use the same pratyaktva. As long as you have the same doer, same pratyaktva can be used. So you have two actions here. So Abhigamya Mahatmanam. So we just saw in the prior class is Mahatman Tadibadikam. Mahatman Tadibadikam. You can use the Sutram Sarvanama Sthane Chasam Buddha, which we just saw a few minutes ago. And make it what kind of compound is this, Karthik?
Karmadharaya? Oh, sorry. This will be Bahuvri.
This will be Bahuvri. Actually, because here the Atman Pradipajikam is actually, it is a Pullinga Pradipajikam. So you will not know just looking at the form is going to be Bahuvri or not. But from the meaning, of course, you say Mahan Atma Yasya Saha. It's highly souled, So this high soul person. So Mahatma is Saha. Very common expression in this language. Mahatma is like a great person in short. High soul means great person. So this will be the Bahuvri compound, again we talk about compounds. The general sequence is that check for Dvandva first, which is very straightforward. It is A and B, and Dvandva means that it has to be either dual or plural, depending how many members are in there, unless it is a Samahara with neutral singular, which you don't have either of those over here. So Dvandva is out. Then you can look at the, because there's 4 kinds of compounds. The second compound is Avyaya Bhava, to make an Avyayam. This is clearly a declined form. So Avyayam is out. Then comes the main thing, which is Tatpurushaha and Bahuvrihi. The Tatpurushaha is Uttara Pada Pradhanaha, Uttara Pada Pradhanaha, which means that you should take the Uttara Padam and make sense of the entire Samasaha from the Uttara Padam. Can we do that? We cannot, because just the word Atma on its own will not give the meaning Hanuman at all. So that's the test between Bahuvrihi, and there are few tests to do. This is one test you can do. Take the Uttara Padam only and see if it makes sense. So when you say Raja Purushaha, just take the word Purushaha. It doesn't make quite good sense. Of course, you don't have all the qualifying the Raja Purushaha, but you have at least the basic sense that he is a Purushaha. So that is what gives us Tatpurusha. So Uttara Pada Pradhanatvam Vartate, Uttara Pada Pradhanatvam Vartate. Tasmat Karanat Ayam Bahu Tatpurushaha Samasa iti Jnatum Shakyate. Bahuvrihi tu Anya Pada Pradhanaha. Because it has some Anyat Padam as the Pradhana Padam. So here it is Sri Hanuman. So it is, and in the Vigraha Vakyam, you should have a Yat Tat construct. So it will be Mahan Atma Yasyasaha. Only thing is that Pradipatikam is Mahat. How did Mahat become Maha? All these rules in Ashtadhyayi come in 6.3. When Uttara Padam follows, any Vikaraha for the Pura Padam, any change that happens there, that comes in the 6.3 of Ashtadhyayi. One more time. If you see any take the word Vishwamitraha, the word Atmane Padam, Yudhishthiraha, all these, like we say, Dvavimshati becomes Dvavimshati. So any time you see a change in the Pura Padam of a Samasaha, some kind of change, then 6.3 is the section you want to go to, as opposed to 5.4 ending, which is what happens in Samasanta Pratyaha, at the end of a Samasaha. Like, Padmanabhaha, Navi becomes Nabhaha. So all those cases at the end of Samasa, you go to end of 5.4, what's called Samasantaha. This is 6.3, even Uttara Padeya. These are the two distinct things. So in this 6.3, you will find one sutram there which will give you the you have to get this one. 6346 An Mahatas Samanadikarana Jatiya Yoga. So this, when Mahat is there, that Takar of Mahat become At, Akaraha, Alonchasya. When does it happen? Samanadikarana Jatiya Yoga. So Samadikaranam, so when the two Samadikaranam, which in Bahuvri also is Samadikaranam, we said Mahan Atma Yachataha. The moment you say Mahatma, then you have to know that the fact that Mahat became Maha means that Mahat is in Samadikaranam with the Uttarapadam. Otherwise, it will not become Maha. So that is what the Sutram is saying. Of course, the Pratyaya Jatiya is there, which you don't have to worry about that, but mainly Samadhikarana. So An Mahataha Samadhikarana Jatiya Yoho. Sutram, so that Mahat became Maha. We got the form Mahatma. In this case, Bahuvrihi become Mahatmanam, because we got Mahatman Padipadikam. And we just saw in the beginning, in the earlier class today, is that, in fact, we saw before itself when we did the Sakhi Shabdaha, or Sakhan, which is of course Sarvanamasthane Chatum Buddha. Pratyaya following here is Surnapumsakasya, Surnapumsakasya. So Surd Anapumsakasya. Su of just out. Pratyaya Sarvanamasthana Sanya. We got 648, which is Sarvanasthane Chasam, Sarvanamasthane Chasam Buddha, Mahatmanam. Krutva Dhatu Kru, same thing we saw Pratyaya Kva, is Anit Dhatu, Nvidagamaha, Krutva, and of course Pratyaya Ktva, so the K and it, we stop in Niguna, 115 Kinaticha, Krutva, Kim Krutva, Ramam, Pradakshinam Krutva. Now Ramam, of course, is Dvitiya Ekvachanam of Rama Shabda, straightforward pratyam, Ami Purvaha. Pradakshinam is a tricky term. Pradakshinam. Pradakshinam is a strange kind of compound. So it's an adverbial compound. It's called Avyabhava Samasaha. This is an Avyabhava Samasaha. It's not Avyabhava Samasa. Looking at this before the class here. This is a special kind of Avyabhava Samasaha, which is, ready-made forms given by Panini. What's called Nipatyate. Nipatanam means that a form is given ready-made by Panini. He doesn't give the derivation for these forms. He just gives the form. There is this gana, very kind of strange gana over here, which says the Tishtadgu Prabhratini. Sure. Not to go into too many details in this class, but this is a Avyabhava Samasaha. And in this Tishtadgu, etc. Prabhratini means these words called Tishtadgu, etc. Tishtadgu means that it is that time for which the cows stay in one place. So, Tishtadgu. So this is Kala Visheshaha. So, Tishtanti Gavo Yasmin Kale Dohanaya. So, Tishtadgu Kalaha. So, these are all these kind of very specific ready-made compounds given by Panini. Within that, Pradakshinam is one of them. So, you can say Pragatam Dakshinam. It's an idiomatic use. Pradakshinam means like gone to the right. It's gone to the right, strictly speaking. Because Dakshina, when we say Dakshina also means south, Dakshina Disha. Because we count the directions facing the east, that's where the sun rises, right? So to your right, if you face the east, to your right will be the south, correct? So that is how this Dakshina, this also becomes the Dakshina Disha means the southern direction, also means right-hand side. So now, what does this mean in the Ramayana here? So, Krutva Rama Pradaksham is making Ramaha be on the right, which means that you go clockwise. So, when you keep somebody on the right, means that you go clockwise around that person. So, this is like a mark of respect. So, Krutva Ramam is Dvitiya Ekvachanam. Pradakshanam is an Avyayam, an Avyabhava Samasaha, which means that having made Rama such that he was on the right, almost like adverbial, that's Krutva. So keeping to the right. So keeping the Krutva Pradakshanam, so Pradakshanam Kru. Pradakshanam Dhatu Kru means to keep to the right. So he kept Rama on the right, means that he went around Sri Rama clockwise. So again, Krutva Avyayam, because, it's ending in a, there are only 5 sutras in Ashtadhyayana. There are only 5 rules which tells you what qualifies for the Avyaya Sanya. From 1137 to 1141. So when it starts from the 1137, the sutram is the Swaradi Nipatam Avyayam. Swaradi Nipatam Avyayam. We have 2 Avyayas over here. We have the word Krutva. We also have the word Pradakshinam. They have to both get the Avyaya Sanya. So one is the sutram Tva Tosun Kasanaha, specifically it's the Pratyak. Tva is given over here, that be an Avyaya. Of course, when Lap comes in place of Tva, Avyatam is still there. So the Abhigamya and Krutva, both will come from this Tva Tosun Kasanaha. Avyabhavascha will give the Avyabhavas into a Avyaya Sanya. That's a different Avyabhava. Anavyam Avyam Bhavati Avyabhavaha. Anavyayam Avyayam Bhavati. Which was not an Avyayam became an Avyayam now. Like the word Yatha Shakti. The word Shakti was not an Avyaya, of course. But the compound brought the Avyayatam onto that. Anavyayam Avyayam Bhavati. So Avyaya Bhavaha. So in short, this 1140 will give the Avyaya Sanya to Krutva and Abhigamya. Because Tva Tosun Kasnaha. Tva Tosun Kasnaha. Pradakshanam will give the Avyabhava from the Sutram Avyabhavascha. One more, you have to be careful. The Sutram Avyabhavascha comes in Ashtadhyaya in 2 places. Avyabhavascha Sutram comes in Ashtadhyaya in 2 places. One is there, and one is in 2418. The Avyabhava compound, strange compounds, they are Avyayas. They are also neuter. So Avyabhava compounds, they are Avyayas, Avyasanya, Apiyasi, Napumsakya Vartante. What's the point of that? Because In Napumsakam, what happens is that the Prajapadikam ending always becomes short. Because Rasva Napumsake Prajapadikasya. Not going into too much details, we don't need them right now, but interesting thing about Avyabhavas is that they are avyas, and they also have they only go in the neuter gender, because so that Rasva Napumsake Prajapadikasya can also apply to them. Anyway, bottom line is right now we have three avyas here, Abhigamya, Kritva, and Pradakshinam. These two are ending with Pratyaya. Ktva, so Ktva, Tosun, Kasuna, 1140. It's also Lyap Adish in place of Ktva. We got this one also in Avyam. Pradakshinam Avyabhava Samasaha. One small little grammar thing here. This Abhigamya, was there a secondary form possible, Karthik? This may be Karthik Sutra for the day.
Abhigatya.
Abhigatya.
Yes.
Where would you find a Sutra, Karthik? Comes in Gita, slightly similar thing, comes in Nihatya Dhatara Ashtana, Kapitis Janardana. Arjuna complains, right? Having killed the son of Dhritarashtra's sons, what joy will come to us? Nihatya Dhatara Ashtana, Kapitis Janardana. So Dhatu is Han. Should become Nihanya. How become Nihatya? Nihatya Dhatara Ashtana, Kapitis Janardana. So tag that sutra, that shloka, please. In Gita, please tag the shloka. See, all the shloka, when you chant these shlokas, you should now, in your mind, at some point, start discovering the sutras behind them. So how it become Nihatya Dhatara Ashtana, Kapritis Janardana? What could be happening there? Nihatya. Is what do you think? What's going on here? You know the prize sutram.
Is it the Shaswasya Tikikriti too?
No, this is not. This is tukka. Well, but before what happened? Nakara lopa kutra kena sutrana vidhiyate. Nakara lopaha kena sutrana vidhiyate.
Anunasika lopo.
Yeah, that's the
Anurag Swapadesha.
next one, Karthi. Next one.
Next one. Okay.
So you know that one. Next one is for you today. Valyapi.
Oh.
Valyapi. So this is what happens is Sutram for Karthik Valyapi. We use 37 all the time. Vrindathopadesha Vanatitanotyadinam Nunasika Lopo Jalikiniti. The word like Gatihi, Gatva, Matihi, that all comes by the 6437. Requires a Prati Jaladi Kitnit. What is not right now? We don't have Jaladi, do we? We have Pratya Lyap, not Jaladi, Yakaradi. So Valyapi, which means that for the same dhatus mentioned in 37, which is what dhatus which are Anudathopadesh, which should be Anunasikanta. So there are only 6 of them, which is the Man, Han, Yama, Nama, Gamarama. These 6, also the dhatu 1, Vanati, of dhatus of the 8th Gana. What happens to them when Lyap follows is that they will take the Anunasika Lopaha Vikalpena. So Agamya and Agatya. But the Sutram is a Vyakhyanam on that, Karthik. So Sutram says this is a Vyavasthita Vibhasha. Sorry to go into details, but this is an interesting Sutram, important one also. You have in the Gita also, we just saw that. So this says that this is a Vyavasthita Vibhasha. Vibhasha means that there is optionality. Navaiti Vibhasha. But this says there is a Vyavastha. And the Vyavastha is that means that the optionality is not everywhere for everything. So every item will not take optionally 2 forms. There will be a Vyavastha in that, some order in the Vyavastha. There is some order in the Vyavastha. In the Vibhasha, I should say. Vyavastha means order. So there is an order in the Vibhasha. What does it say? Vyavasthita Vibhasha iyam. Tena makarantana vikalpo bhavati. Makarantana vikalpo bhavati. So when makaranta dhatu like gam become agamya, agatya, abhigamya, abhigatya, etc. Anyatra nityam eva lopaha. So nihatya dhat, when you have in the Gita, nihatya dhatara ashtanaha, nitya eva lopaha. Nityam eva lopaha. So becomes like nihatya. So there the nakar lopa nityam, and then as Karthik said, we get the tukatamaha, that's such a particular tuk. But the bottom will be, there'll be only one form in the Gita, nihatya. While here you'll have 2 forms, agamya, agatya, because vyavasthita vibhasha, makarantana vikalpo bhavati, anyatra nityam eva lopaha. 3 vyakhyanam. So that's Sutra for Karthik today. Valyapi. 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 Vyavasthita vibhasha. Makarantanam vikalpo bhavati. Anyatra nityam eva lopaha. Okay. So that's the bottom line. We would have had a secondary formula, Abhigatya. it could have been secondary form. Then Nyavedayata. Nyavedayata. So Ni plus Dhatu within the causative form. With this to know. Vedayati means you cause somebody else to know. Means you inform. Nyavedayata. One thing you want to do here quickly is to spot the Adagamaha. Adagamaha will come directly before the Dhatu, not before the Upasarga. Upasarga is Patak Padam. So Ni Avedayata. Ni Avedayata. Now the Dhatu was with. To that Dhatu with, you have to make a causative form, which what was Panini called the Pratyaya Nich. As a Pratyaya Nich, to make a causative form, make it Dhatu Vedi. So make it a Dhatu Vedi. Because with plus Nich make the form. Would you first Kartik quickly? With plus make it into Vedi.
We'll get the Puganta Laghu Padasya.
Yeah, Puganta Gunaha. So Dhatu with plus Nich by Hetumati Cha. Hetumati Cha. And because the Nich comes for Churadigana Swarthe, for any other Dhatu Hetumati. Hetu means that Tat Prayojako Hetuho. Hetu means that it is someone who propels the doer. One who is instigating, causing the causator. Hetumati Cha. Becomes Nich, and then as Kartik said, we get Pugant, of course, Chutu Halancham, Anubandalopaha, Pashat Puganta Laghu Patascha. It becomes Vedi. And this gets a new Dhatu Sanya by the Sutram Sanadyanta Dhatavaha. Sanadyanta Dhatavaha. Without Dhatu Sanya, nothing can be done. We cannot do the Lakara Prakriya, cannot do Krit Prakriya. We have Dhatu Sanya. Got the Dhatu Vedi. Vedi comes, then you add the Lakara lung, skipping some steps. You get the Pratyaya tip. So we get, and in the meanwhile, you get the Adagamaha by 6,471. Again, I won't go through all details because this is not Vyakaranam class. We get Adagamaha by Lung, Lang, Rung, Shurdat, Taha. So we need 3 lakaras of Adagamaha. Lung, Lang, Rung. Out of which Rung is very easy to spot. It has a sheer pratyaya in there. Between the Lung and the Lung, the Anga Karyam will be the same. We get the Gana Vikaranam over in the Anga Karyam in the Lung Lakaraha. So whatever Anga Karyam you have in the Lat, same Anga Karyam in the Lung Lakaraha. So if you can know the Lung Lakara forms very well, then if you know this is Lung or not Lung, remaining must be Lung. One more time, 6,471, Lung, Lang, Rung, Shurdataha, Lung, Lang, Rung, Shu. So Lung, Lang, Rung. Rung is very easy, but yes, and very, very rare also. Almost never comes between Lung and Lung. The Lung, the Anga Karyam, will have the Gana Vikaranam in there, and it will have the same Prakriya as in Lat Lakara, of course. So, and there you can spot those easy, those you should know well. And if it's not Lung Lakara, then you can get Lung Lakara, you can go to details. So, Lung Lakara, why we do in this roundabout way? Because Lung Lakara is a complicated Lakara. Many Vishesha Niyama Santi, Bhavani Santi. So, Bhava Santi. So, you have to first know Lung Lakara well, then to learn the, know the Lung Lakara well, then you can get the Lung Lakara after that. So, Adagamaha by 6,471, and then we got the Vedi which we just formed. Pratyaya Shap will come here, Anubandha Lope will be Pratyaya, then this. First I should put tip first, because Shap can only come Sarvadhatuke. Sarvadhatuke Shap. So before bringing in Shap, you have to bring in the Pratyaya tip. Because in all the Lakaras to begin with, they have Sanya of Ardhadhatukam. First Ting, Shit, Sarvadhatukam, then Ardhadhatukam Sheshaha. So before Tiptaji comes, the Lakara itself has a Sanya of Ardhadhatukam. So you need Pratyaya Tiptaji, something to come there, then only Shap, etc. can come. Of course, in the only Sutram here, the Tip becomes Ta by the Sutram Itascha. Lakara which has Nu as an It will remove the ending Ikara by Itascha, so become Ta. And the remaining thing only now to be done is to do the ending Guna of the E. E becomes A by Sarvadhatuka Ardhatuka Yoho, then Echo Yava Yavaha. So we get Ni, then Avedayata. Aved, get A, we get really Vede, Vedai, Avedai, because by doing the Gunadesha and the Ayyadesha, Avedayata. Now this is the comma of the Aya which is coming here, this Aya, when it's in the final form. So what we did here was, we did the Gunaha, by 7384 Sarvadhatukarmikayoho, followed by Echo Yava Yavaha. Echo Yava Yavaha, we got the this form here. Now, as I said to you, the simple thing over here is that if you can spot this aya in here, ve dayata. So this I, what is this aya? Aya is a combination of the niche taking guna, followed by echo yava yavaha, followed by combining with the shap pratyaya, gives this aya. So this aya is not a pratyaya on its own, but it shows up in the final ending form of the nijanta rupam. So if you nijanta form when you have, you can look for this aya. I already gave the example in I think previous class, which is in chapter 3 of Gita. I think second shloka buddhim mohayasi ume mohayasi. Again the aya is coming in there. Aya mohayasi. Same thing over here in Ramayana right now. What we have is nyaveda yata. This aya is there. Probably might be a nishpatya in there. That is the tip off for you. Nishpatya might be in there. If you see a tingantam rupam with aya inside there, then look for niche taking guna, echo yavayavaha, combining with the shab, and we'll take the. To remember one more thing is that when you make any derived dhatu, only shab will come. So shab is the default for everything. Only in the remaining gana of the dhatu part itself, the second gana, third gana, they have special rules. But any derived dhatu, like a causative, desiderative, fictional, they'll all take only shab. Of course, kattari sarva dhatu, okay? But only shab. You're not getting any gana, vikarna, any other gana. So this you have to run the gana karyam. You have to worry about any other the ganas being there, because once you form any derived dhatu, only gana, vikarna, shab only can come. Basically, shab will not be overruled. So when kattari sarva dhatu, okay? So nevedayata means he informs. So ame atma. Ame atma. What's dhatu in here, Karthik? Ame atma. What dhatu ameya? What meya? Like geyam, peyam, dhatu is ma. One more sutra for Karthik for today. What could be sutram here, Karthik? What do you need from me? Tell me, I'll give it to you. If we want one karyam. What kind of this meya? What kind of form is meya?
It's a krutya pratyaya yat.
Very good. Krutya pratyaya. What is krutya? What's in English called potential participles. Potential participles. Krutyaha. So Panini, when he first starts krutya pratyaya, the very first section Panini takes is krutyaha. These are called as potential participles. These from 3195. There is a small section. Reason I write this because there is a small section from 3195 to 31 around 130, 132. So any potential participles have to come in this section. So for the rest of your life now, if you have any, which are many of them, like karyam, kartavyam, bhoktavyam, gantavyam, all of these, all the rules for them come in 3195 to 132. And there are basically three main rules. One is that, first of all, it is the pratyaya is tavya, tavyat aniyaraha, a kartavya, karaniya, that bhajaniyaha, sevaniyaha, so sevitavyaha. So all these get any dhatu can be pratyaya. Tavyat, tavya, and there's only sarvabheda there between tavyat and tavya. So for us, tavya only one pratyaya. Even though Pani gives tavyat and tavya, for us they're both the same because only sarvabheda is there. And aniya. So tavya and aniya can take can come to any dhatu. So now comes their special rule, says achoyat. In ajanta dhatu, we take the pratyaya yat, which is what we have right now. We have dhatu ma, which is pratyaya yat. Of course, yat means that this halantyam, so only ya will remain. Acho yat. Then comes ruhalod nyat. Ruhalod nyat. Some measure will come ruhalod nyat. That is an apavada for this. So it says ruhalod nyat. So down here, if you have halanta dhatu, pratyaya will be nyat pratyaya. Now the nyat pratyaya will of course be nit karyam. With that we don't have that right now. So acho yat, ruhalor nyat, and also pratyaya called kyap is coming in here for some special dhatus. So these are three pratyaya which are called so we have tavya aniya coming after any dhatu. Then there is a third form which says that you can get either the pratyaya yat or kyap or the pratyaya nyat, which is acho yat, which is we just saw, which is 3197 acho yat. what we have right now. Second, so remember this one. First of all, adhikara krityaha. Krityaha. Prangnulaha. Krityaha. So this is potential participles. And here, if you have tavya and aniya can cover any dhatu, like kartavya, karaniya. Achoyat, there will be three forms. As general rule, for every dhatu, we'll have three forms. Which I shouldn't say three forms. There will be three kritya pratyas coming. One will be tavya, one will be aniya, one will be depending on whether it is, acho is a pratyaya yat, or a pratyaya kyap, or the pratyaya nyat. So Karthik, why only one of these, one or all three of these also?
Because the pratyayas have the same form, they have the same letter. Yeah.
It is sutram right here before. Before kritya sutram, vasrupostriyam. Vasrupostriyam. So when it is asarupaha, right, it will become va astriyam. Sarupaha, when it is the same form, that when they say which whether pratyaya yat or kyap or nyat, anubandha lope ya avashishyate. The same ya pratyaya. So when you have the same pratyaya, even though anubandha might be different, same pratyaya in the same meaning, only one of them can stay. But the tavya aniya have different forms, so they will stay. So we'll have kartavyam, karaniyam, you can have karyam. Three forms you're getting. Right now, this is a general summary for you. Achoyat. Okay, so Karthik, let's take Achoyat 3197. Now that how do we get from this up to the Maya form? But how?
Idyati.
Very good, Karthik. How do you find that?
How? In the Bhaimya.
Yeah, Idyati. How? Achoyat is coming here. Achoyat. But for those who have Bhaimi Vyakhya, he gives in the volume number 3. He gives you very nice tables of all these kritpatyas, kudanta form, kudanta rupani. So you can get a lot of rules, a lot of things. Once you find the dhatu, generally your job is easy. You can go to the kudanta rupamala, you can go to dhatu vritti, of course. That's the first step you should take. Madhya dhatu vritti, Madhavya dhatu vritti. You can go to, other places also. So the sutram is idyati. So, anga karyam. Where would that be? 664.
Just close the book.
Idyati. Where would that be? So, must be
6465.
6465, is it? Yes, idyati. So when you have it, because below atolo piticha. So if you have a adantam angam ending in long a, dhatu ya, ameyatma, aprameyaha, right? So if you have I think there is shloka in the Bhajagovindam for this. Some geyam gita nama sahasram, deyam shripati rupam ajasram, deyam dina janaya chavittam. One more is I'm forgetting that. So there is geyam, there is jeyam, there is deyam is there. So, so pa becomes deyam, the jay becomes jayam. How does that happen, Karthik? How jay becomes jayam? Atu jay. Jay, acho yat, you add the yat, but how did jay
will first become ja?
Become dhya by what sutram?
Yeah.
6145. Adesha Upadesha Shiti.
Adesha Upadesha Shiti.
The dhatu ending which like geyam, like it comes in Bhaja Govindam, right? Geyam Gita Nama Sahasram. One should always sing the Bhagavad Gita and the Vishnu Sahasranama Stotram. Geyam Gita Nama Sahasram. Deyam Shripati Rupam Ajasram. Deyam Shripati Rupam Ajasram. You always contemplate on the form of Lord Vishnu. Shripati Rupam Ajasram. So Deyam. So dhatu was gai. Gai became ga by 6145 because any dhatu ending in a, o, au, I, au will become an akaranta dhatu with the following pratyaya does not have the talavya shad in it. So adecha upadesha shiti, ad echaha upadesha shiti. Very important sutram. If you have any dhatu ending in a, o or the I, au, that dhatu will change to an akaranta dhatu with the following pratyaya does not have talavya shad in it. So the gai and jai become yat. Pratyaya here means yat. Pratyaya yat doesn't have any tala vishya in it. So the gai will become ga, jai will become dhya, and then come idyati and make it into idyati. So the a becomes e. You can add gunaha, right? Right, Karthik? So ma plus ma plus meya, ma plus ya. So a becomes e, becomes meya. So why do you have the long e over here, Karthik? Because if you take a short e, simply you will get. Why long e?
Maybe he wants it as an anuvritti.
Anuvritti, ghuma asta next sutram, right? Anuvritti. So yes. So anyway, so 6465 sutram, and that's what makes it for us. And we get the form. We get idyati. So come ma, not adguna. It's the wrong thing. I'm sorry. Not adguna. It's me plus yat. Not adguna, because the akara becomes e. Then what do you get after that?
Sarvadhatuka, ardhadhatuka
yoho gunaha. So I'm going to make it into me. Not, excuse me, not adguna at all. Because the e became, the a became e. And you get sarvadhatuka, ardhatuka, yoho gunaha. 7384 become me. So if you see this partial form a coming like that, think of a dhatu ending in akaraha. Could also be a dhatu ending in a, I, a, I, o, au, because of the, or the a, o, I, au, whatever, because of 6145. Okay, so that's all. So gayam, teyam, dhyayam, neyam. Neyam is different. That's the dhatu already is ni over there. That's a bad example. But the other dhatu ending in a, like deyam is there. All of these places, think about the sutram idyati. Okay. Ame atma, ame immeasurable. So one whose atma, one whose strength or one whose self was immeasurable. But Hanuman had that quality. If you look at a lot of Vyakhyanam on this shloka, ame atma, if you look at that, ame atma, aparichedya bala buddhi dhairya adi vaibhavaha. Aparichedya. So one whose this bala, buddhi, dhairya, etc. His strength, his intelligence, his courage was immeasurable. So, see, Atma means a lot of things. Atma means, yourself, Jiva, Atma, Paramatma, also means your body, also means, your personality. See, his personality was unlimited. So, Ame Atma. So, Meyam is measurable. Matum Shakyam, Meyam. So, which can be measured. So, Ameyam is immeasurable. Ame Atma is one whose personality can say is immeasurable. So, the Ame Atman Parivadikam, Ame Atman. Again, this in the earlier class today, we get the Upada Dirgha by, Savanamastani Chasam Buddha, Nakar Lopa, Nulapa Parivadikantasya, Ame Atma, qualifying Hanuman. And now come Drishta Siti Tattvataha. Drishta Sita Iti Tattvataha. Talked about this last time. A lot of commentary on this. I think we covered in the last class a little bit of that. Drishta Sita Iti Tattvataha. Now 99% of the times, the iti ends the quotation. Which is that happens most of the time, like 99% of the time. But 1% of the times, maybe that iti comes inside the quotation. Look what we have here. Drishta Sita Iti. If iti ends the quotation, we'll have only Drishta Sita in the quotes. So, of course, it means Sita has been seen. And then Maya iti shesha, by me. Tattvataha. So you can say if you put Tattvataha outside, it will start connecting with the Nyavedayata. Tattvataha Nyavedayata. He factually told Sri Ramaha that I have seen Sita. But you really want Tattvataha inside the iti would also be nice, won't it? I have really seen Sita. I have factually seen Sita, is what he told Ramaha. This is one instance where you may want to put the Tattvataha inside the iti. So put the iti at the end. So Sita Tattvataha Drishta Maya. The choice that you have. Of course, Tattvataha is a pratyaya, which is the pratyaya, this Tasir pratyaya is coming, Tasi, which is, truly I have seen Sita, factually. So factually, in this case, it becomes an avya, it's an adverb, so Tattvataha. So Tattvataha Tattvataha, the question is that Tattvataha qualifying dhatu drish or qualifying dhatu that ni vedi ho. Means he factually informed or factually saw. I think you want factually saw the better meaning if you ask me. It's a choice. So let's see what he says. And then of course he says Tattvataha Sarvibhaktika tasihi. So what the comment is saying is that, again, sorry for dragging grammar again, Tasil Pratyaya comes in two places, and one is only after certain words which is coming in the beginning of 5.3. Give you a small gist of it. It's Panchamyas Tasil. That Tasil Pratyaya can only come after the Kim, Sarvanama and Bahubhyaha. Only Panchamya the. Only in this Vibhakti, Panchamyas Tasil. Kim, Sarvanama, Bahubhyaha. The word we have Tattvataha we have right now. Tattva is not a pronoun. It's not Kim, it's not Bahu. So this Panchamyas Tasil cannot be used. Panchamyas Tasil cannot be used. So what does the commentator say? He says Sarvavibhaktika Tasihi. Sarvavibhaktika Tasihi. Sarvavibhaktika means that it stands for all vibhaktis. So but this Tasil can be used. There is a commentary on this 5444. I think 54, yeah. This Pratiyoge Panchamyas Tasihi has a Vartikam on that. I'm sorry to mention this too much, but this is a very important usage. This is very, very common. Vastutaha, Tattvataha, Paramarthataha. Very, very common usages these are. And unfortunately, that sutram which we saw, Panchamyas Tasil, cannot explain that. That only comes after Kim, Sarvanama, Bahu. But this one is coming after other Prajapadikams. Now, there are only these two sutras over here, which are also not very good, but there's a Vartik one, 5444, which I want you to pay attention to. It's called the Sarvavibhaktikaha Tasihi. Sarvavibhaktikaha Tasihi. So when you see the expression in the commentary, this is what they mean. What they mean is this Vartikam. Vartikam over here. So if you know some Vyakaranam, you can appreciate what is the commentator trying to say. What does he mean by this? When he says Sarvavibhaktikaha Tasihi. Sarvavibhaktikaha Tasihi. So it says here, it says that Tasi Prakarane Adyadibhya Upasankhanam. Adi, the words Adi, etc. After that, Tasi can be used. Didn't say which any vibhaktis. They can be used in other vibhaktis also, not only Panchami. So like Ado becomes Aditaha. Means Aditaha is in the beginning. Ado. Madhyataha. Means in the middle become Madhyataha. Not from the middle, but in the middle, Madhyataha. Pashvataha, on the sides. Pushtataha, at the back. Akritiganaha. This can be used in, so maybe you can take it Tattvena Kathayamasa. He told him, truly he told him, factually he told him. So that's why the commentator is saying this is what is called as the Sarvavibhaktikaha Tasihi. So 5444, Vartikam, you can read on your own if you want. Remember this one because this can explain all the usages which you see in the language, which cannot be explained by the other one. Tattvataha, Tattvataha, use the 5444 Vartikam and Vartikam, and that is what is called as the Sarva Vibhaktikaha Tasihi. Sarva Vibhaktikaha Vibhaktikaha Vibhaktikaha. Very common expression. Tasihi. This pratyaya Tasi. It's not Tasi, it's Tasi pratyaya. Slightly different, but Tasihi. Okay. So let's just continue with this shloka. That's what the commentator says, Sarvavibhaktikaha Tasihi. And then he gives, of course, all of them are given the explanation about the Drishta coming in first of Sita. Drishta Sita Tattvataha. Drishta Sita. Why you put Drishta first? So they say that because if you said Sita first, could be anything. Sita Nashta, Sita Mrita, Sita Hata, but in order to calm Sri Ramaha, who said Drishta, means I have seen. Must be Sita only, what can I see? So he says, Drishta iti padasya pratama prayogaha Ramasya Sita iti shravane tad vishayaka kriya pada samshyo ma bhudityastha. We just heard Sita. Don't know what verb is coming after that. She is there, she's alive, she's lost. Where is she? Oh, let's put Drishta first. So a lot of commentary on that. In fact, other people also say दृष्टा इति उक्त्या एतद् उच्चारणात् पूर्वं सीतापद मात्र श्रवणेन तद् विषयक संशयो मा भूत्. If you say Sita first, then they want worried what is going on, whether she's alive or dead. So anena Hanumatah buddhimattam dyotyate ho. Is that he can see his intelligence by just he says Drishta Sita. Okay, of course Drishta Sita is Pratama Ekavachanam. Sita is the noun, Drishta adjective, Dhatu Drish. The Talave Shakara is Dhatu Drish and in Talave Shakara and Mudhan number 8236. Any Talave Shakara for Dhatu Jali Padante, but Murdhanya Chunashtiho Drishta Sita from Yatvataha. Okay, let's see who can do the Vasudha might be able to do it. Vasudha, you there?
Namaste, Satiji.
You want to try translation for us?
Yes, 1 second. Okay.
Okay. Have an echo on there. It's okay. Okay.
Okay. Now the echo is less. Now I will go. I'm using the headphones.
Use the headset. Yeah, that's good.
Okay. With the headset now.
Approaching.
Approaching. So.
The Abhigamya.
Abhigamya. Okay.
Abhigamya, approaching. It's a very good exercise, by the way. After doing all of this, even if you don't get the whole meaning, any Vyakaranam, look at the translation and try to match. It's like match the columns, match the columns. You have the entire Ramayanam, 24,000 verses. And Srimad Bhagavata Puranam, you have 18,000 verses. Of course, Gita is first, you have 700 verses. If you just play this game of match the columns game, it's like a game for you, like a puzzle. You have 18,000 puzzles in the Bhagavata Puranam. In the Ramayana, you have 24,000 puzzles. Just keep on matching and mixing, you will learn a lot. So just because this is a very faithful translation that has been done by Gita Press, fantastic. What they have done is an amazing job of translating the entire Ramayana, entire Srimad Bhagavatam, of course Gita also. Every single word faithfully, every single word which is the Bhashyakara Sammatam, Tikakara Sammatam, which is in keeping with the Bhashyam and Tika. So it's fantastic. So please, you can always do this. Even if you don't want to do any Vyakaranam or anything else, you can just look at translation and try to match, You try to get a feel for these words, how these words work, how the language works, how they put clauses together, all these things you understand slowly. So then you're ready for more grammar, as you know. What is Abhigamya? How did Gam become Gamya? So these are things you don't ask. You see the usage is coming over and over again, So then you can get, this looks like a clause again. This is how it's coming over here. This is how it connects over there. So you can put in the effort, and you'll get only maybe 20% the first time, 20-30% maybe. That's a lot. You get 20%. Next time you get more 5%, 2%, 3%. So Abhigamya, approaching. The high soul Rama. Okay, so what do you think, Vasudha? Mahatmanam, because this is the karma of the Abhigamya. High soul Rama, Abhigamya. Okay. Then said, and going round him clockwise. Okay.
Pradachinam krutva.
Ramam. So actually high soul Rama was Mahatmanam Ramam. They took over here. The Krutva Pradakshinam. It means going around him clockwise. Clockwise. Okay. And then as a mark of respect, Hanuman is what? Who possessed of infinite intelligence. So who possessed of infinite intelligence.
Ameyatma Saha Hanuman.
Very good. Sa Hanuman Ameyatma. So they take Atma in this case as Buddhi. So Ameya Buddhi. So one who was possessed of infinite intelligence. Submitted. Yes?
Submitted.
Informed.
Navedayat.
Nyavedayat. That Sita was seen by him in reality. Sita had been seen into bracket by him in reality. So what do you think they have done? So they put the Tattvata inside the Iti or outside the Iti? What do you think they have done?
Okay. Tattvataha outside.
they have put it inside because it is with drishta. Because Sita has been seen in reality, it has been seen by me. Because if you put it inside, it qualifies drishta. If you keep it outside, it qualifies nyavedayata. It's an adverb. It's going to qualify some verb. So if you keep it inside the iti, it will qualify drishta. So tatvata drishta means she has been seen by me in reality. If you keep it outside, you have to say he informed Sri Rama factually. So, but the way that Gita is taken, they have taken the iti and put the tatvataha inside the quotation, which gives a much better meaning. Even though normally 99% the iti ends the quotation, in this case we have to override that. So that's what they're saying. So it says drishta tatvataha. See, Sita has been seen in reality. So the tatvata is qualifying the drishta, and Sita, of course, is Sita. So these are the points you can note these subtleties, as you go along. There's only one shloka. So I'm saying, thank you, Vasudha. So only in one shloka you have so much grammar, so many points to learn about. Just as if you do more and more, again you may not catch them all, but if you try to more, you learn. It's a very famous shloka of Ramayanam. That one is one of the very famous verses. So it is the says that Sobhigamya Mahatmanam Kritva Ramam Pradakshinam Navedayata me Atma Dishta Sititi Tatvataha. Okay. Next one. Tata Sugriva Sahito Gatva Tiram Mahodadehe Samudram Kshobayamasa Shaira Aditya Sanjivai. Okay, Kartik, want to do some first?
Yes, Satishi. Tataha Sugriva Sahitaha Gatva Tiram Mahodadhehe Samudram Kshobhayamasa Sharaihi Aditya Sannibhaihi.
Aditya Sannibhai. What's the vibhakti of each padam?
Tataha is Avyapadam.
Avyapadam. This can take, tadanantaram. This can qualify by panchamya still because, kim savanama bahubhya. Tat is a savanama shabda. This you can use Sutta 5.3, which we saw before. We don't need the Saravatika Tasi over here. Okay, Tataham Tadanantaram. Means English then. Tataham is then, afterwards. Then, Sugriva Sahita. What kind of compound is this?
Sugriva Sahitaha is Sugriva Sahitaha?
Sugriva Sahitaha. What kind of compound? Is it Dvandva? It's not Dvandva. Avyabhavaha? No. Avyabhava, we should get Avyam. How about with Tatpurusha and Bahubri? That's the main battleground, Compounds, the main battleground is Tatpurusha Bahubri. Once you get past that, if you come to Tatpurusha land, then the thing between the Samadhikaranam and Vyadhikaranam. These are two main branches, So because Dvandva is easy to spot, Avyabhava is easy to spot, between Bahubri and Tatpurusha, as we said, what do you think it is here, Kartik? Can you take the word Sahita and make sense out of it?
No, it will be an adjective.
Adjective, yes. It is Tatpurusha. Yes, Hema is right. Thank you, Hema. Yes. So Sugrivena Sahita. Thank you, Hema. So yes, Sugrivena Sahita. It's a Tatpurusha come. I think Vasudha also had. Is Vasudha?
Trutiya Tatpurusha Sugrivena Sahitaha.
Very good. Sugrivena Sahitaha Titya Tatpurusha. Because this Sahitaha is just enough to qualify. One more thing is in the Bahubri. Most of the time, the ending Uttarapadam will be a Nama Shabda, not a Visheshanam. That's also one more thing to look at. Bahubri is required to basically convert a noun into an adjective. Like a word when you say Pitambaraha Vishnu. Ambaram. Ambaram is going to be, it's not an adjective, it cannot qualify Vishnu directly. That's why we need Bahubri. Because Ambaram was the Uttarapadam, which was a Nama Shabda, not a Visheshanam. So if we had the Visheshanam as Uttarapadam, then most of the time that is not Bahubri. So useful in document, because that you don't need, already Visheshanam is already there if it's qualifying that person. So in a Bahubri compound, these are all like pointers you need. You need all these pointers to make, make the right meaning. So in the Bahuvrihi, the Uttarapadam, the second member, Uttarapadam, likely not be an adjective. So remember that. If you have an adjective as Uttarapadam, think of Tatpurusha, not Bahuvri. So if an adjective Uttarapadam, think of Bahuvri. Like Mahabahu in Gita, right? So many are there. Mahabahu, Akriyaha, all like a word Vidhava, all Bahuvris, Nistvaha, Sita Pradnyaha. You try all Bahuvris in Gita. It's an exercise for you. Take in Gita Bahuvri compounds and see which one is a noun at the end. Most of them will have nouns at the end. If you have the ending as an adjective, most of the time it is not Bahuvri compound. Okay. Of course, if you have Vyakhyanam with you, then you can also look at the Vigraha Vakyam, and then if it's a Bahuvri compound, in the Vigraha Vakyam we have Yattat construct, Yattat. So Mahantau Bahu Yasya Saha. If you don't see Yattat in the Vigraha Vakyam, it is not a Bahuvri compound. Vigraha Vakyam here is what? Only Sugrivena Sahitaha. There is no Yattat at all. So this is not Bahuvri, this is Tatpurusha Samasaha. However, the word Sugriva itself, what kind of compound is that?
Shobhana Griva Yasya Saha.
Griva, so that is a Bahuvri compound now. Because you had the word Griva, became Griva. Immediately you have a red flag here. This is probably Bahuvri. Linga Parivartanam. The gender has changed. You had the word Griva, became Griva. Secondly, Uttarapadam is a noun. It doesn't have to be Bahuvri, but it might be Bahuvri. Third thing is that, of course, even in Karmadhas, Uttarapadam is a noun. That's okay. What I'm saying is that Uttarapadam is not a noun. If it's an adjective, then mostly not Bahuvri. Okay? But this is a noun, Griva. This may be Bahuvri. And second thing is that we have the word Griva only means neck. Just using the word neck, you cannot get the person Sugrivaha. So just the Uttarapadam will not give meaning at all. That is Bahuvri. If you look at Griva, Griva only means neck. How can you say neck is the man? So as Karthik said, Shobhana Griva, yes, Saha, Sugrivaha. Technically speaking, Sugriva was an adjective, technically speaking. But of course, that was his name also. Sugriva Sahitaha. Gatva, same as before, Dhatu Gam, Sutram 6.4.37, the Makara drops, Nitya Karyam. Gatva, who's Saman Karta here, Karthik?
Ramaha.
Rama in this case, Shri Ramaha. Sugriva Sahita, Shri Ramaha. Moment you Pratyaktva, always stop. We've done this many times, we've done this now. Also in the homework you got it many times. Immediately stop. Check Pratyaktva, who is Saman Karta, and what is Uttara Kriya, Uttaravartini Kriya. So when you say Gatva, Saman Karta, that gives you a good, it gives you a good framework for the sentence, So you got Rama Saman Karta, and then Kshobhayamasa is the Uttaravartini Kriya. So having reached the shore of the seashore, he agitated the ocean. He agitated the ocean. He stirred up the ocean, stirred up. Okay. Tiram is Dvitiya Ekvachanam, nothing special. Mahodadhe, what's Pratipadikam here?
Mahodadhi.
Mahodadhi. This is the first compound is this one.
This is Karmadharaya.
Karmadharya. Because Udadhi. Udadhi it means like a reservoir of water. Udadhi. Quickly, couple of sutta quickly is that what is dhatu you think? So let me give you the Vigraha Vakyam. Udakam dhiyate yasmin sa udadhi. So that in which water is placed is a reservoir of water. So first of all, we need a couple of things. We need the dhatu is dha. Dhiyate yasmin. So dhatu dha has become dhi. What pratyaya can we use, Karthik sir? Dha plus what?
Dha plus ki.
Atolopa teacher. So ki can be used. So udadhi. And second thing we need to make the udaka into uda. When udaka is a pratipadikam. Udaka means water. Now udaka became uda. Where in Ashtadhyayi you can find it, Karthik, where in Ashtadhyayi?
This is the Uttarapade.
Uttarapade, 6.3. Alugutta from 6.3. So click you the numbers here. Is first thing we need is to make udadhi, get the pratyaya ki. As this is the upapada samasa. Upapada samasa. It comes right before Striyam Pin, Karthik, right before that. Like in 93. Convenience is like that. I'm sorry. Sriyam Tin is, yes, correct. 3393. So you can know I think next time is right before Sriyam Tin comes this Pratyaya Ki. Upasarga, like the words Upadhi, Samadhi, you know, these all come from 92. Upasarga Gho Ki. Then Karmani Adhikarane Cha. Karmani Adhikarane Cha. So Karmani Adhikarane Cha. 3393. Look at the Vyakhyana on that. What does it say? Is that the dhatu of the form which have the gu sanya, the gu sanya, which is dada, gwada. So dhatu of the form da and dha is a pratyaya ki. When does it happen? When you have upasarga there, like upadhi, samadhi, etc. Or if you have something which is karmani, it's karma or adhikarana. In this case, adhikarana. So it says that this way, jalam dhiyate asmin iti jaladhi. Sharadhi, etc. So that in which the water is placed. So that in which this is like a, you know, what you call the quiver, where the arrows are placed. Sharadhi. Okay. So then we do Athar. So we have 3393. We get Udakadhi first of all. Udakadhi. So we have Udakam. Udakam dhiyate asmin niti. Udakam dhiyate asmin. So we get Udaka plus Dhi. Now, so Udadhi, let's put the numbers here quickly for you. Udadhi, Karmani Adhikarane. So if when you have, let's look at the Sutram again one more time, not to confuse you, but what it says is that Karmani Upapade. So the Upapada is a karma actually. Karmani Upapade Kusanyakebhyo Dhatubhyo Kipatse Bhavati Adhikarane Karakhe. So when something is placed inside something, so when water is placed in the reservoir of that basically, a holder of that, so it becomes that. So karmani upapade, adhikarane karake, so it becomes so this is a karma, so become udadhi. Now last sutram is where do you get the udaka becomes uda, we'll put that also. That means 6.3. Now I think 6.3 there's a whole section about the Udaka becoming Uda. Yes, Udasya Udakaha. Udasya Udaha Sanyayam. And then here Sutram he says, here Dhi. Pesham Vasa Vahana Dhishu Cha. 6358. See, when the Dhi follows, the Udaka becomes Uda. Udaka becomes Uda when this Dhi follows. So 6358. So by using those two rules, we will get Udadhi. Udadhi. So we got 3393 along with 6358. Okay, interesting form. And then Mahodadhi Karmadharya compound. We already saw how we can get the Mahad becomes Maha Samadhikarane. So the great reservoir of water means the ocean. The great reservoir of water means the ocean. So having reached, again it's literally Hari Shabdaha, so Mahodadhi Shashti Ekvachanam. Shashti means Sambandha. Shashti means Sambandha. Don't leave Shashti to make the Sambandha with something. So Mahodadeh what? Like in English the apostrophe S, most of the times. So off the ocean what? The shore of the ocean. Off the ocean, the shore of the ocean. So having gone to the shore of the great reservoir of water means having gone to the shore of the ocean. Samudram Kshobhayamasa. Samudram Dvitiya Ekvachanam. Now Kshobhayamasa. Again, look at the Aya in there. This is different as a bad example. But this is actually Anuprayoga lit. Been this many times like in Gita, Ashvasayamasa, Darshayamasa, Kshobhayamasa. See, this Anuprayoga lit means that the origin of this dhatu is dhatu kshub. The kshub become kshobi. Pratyaya nich came in there. Means that kshub means to be agitated. So Kshobhayamasa means you agitate somebody else. Make somebody else agitated. Okay, so you see, he agitated the ocean. So dhatu become kshobhi. When you have a derived dhatu, particularly the nijanta is the most common example, then you will not take the dvitva lit, you will not take the usual abhyasa lit, etc. Instead of this pratyaya am comes over there. Am. Kshobhi plus am. So that's sutram. I just give you some short number because we did this before in the class. So we can, that is 3135. 3135 sutram for that is that you get this pratyaya am. So pratyaya am comes, and that will be, so kas pratyayantar amamantrality. So kas pratyayantar amamantrality. 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 So means that, and there's a vartikam on that. Basically, if you have any anekas dhatu, then you do not take the abhyasa and anything lit. You take the, you get the am pratyaha. And when that am comes, you get the lit. Original lit takes into look. Original lit pratyaya takes look. Amaha. So these are giving you short steps now. So you got the dhatu kshobhi. Kshobhi plus lit was there. Then am pratyaya will be kshobhi am lit. Then by sutra amaha, the lit pratyaya is gone. But after that comes a new dhatu, which is kru bhu as. Kru bhu or as come with their own lit pratyaya. Krunchanu prajyate liti. Krunchanu prajyate liti. So means that the kri with the pratyahara kri, kru bhu as, anuprajyate, means that it is comes with its own lit lakaraha. So you get kshobhi am, in this case dhatu as plus lit. As plus lit will give the form asaha. When the meanwhile kshobhi plus am will become kshobhayam. Kshobhayam asa. So what sutram here? Why not niraniti over here, Kartik? Niraniti. Kshobhayam asa. Because the pratyaya am pratyaya has sanya of adhasukam, and then why won't we get niraniti? Because of 55, ayyamantal vayantishi, etc. So so normally what happens is that pratyaya nich is there, followed by pratyaya which has a sanya of adhasukam, which is not, doesn't have an ida agamaha. Then normally nich should drop in niraniti. So we had kshobhi plus am. That am cannot take idagam, it's not valadi. So that niche should have dropped. But 6455 says the niche becomes an ai adesha. When followed by one of these pratyayas, one of that is the pratyaya am. For 6455 we got kshobhayama. So let's put some numbers, only some numbers here. It's a derived form from dhatu kshobh. So we'll get ksho, bha, ya, ma, sa. So firstly we had to use the hetumati cha, niche. Then we got dhatu sanya by sananta dhatavaha for the pratyaya lit parokshe lit. And then after that we got the 3135. Yes, pratyaya am came in there. Then after that amaha. Amaha luksya, so I think 2481, I think so. 81. And after that we got the anuprayogaha, is 3140. In the meanwhile, the 6455, the niche became ai, kshobhayamasa. I mean, given in very brief forms, but you can also look at more details. Their own kshobh, we have done in the class before a few times, I think, so we don't repeat the whole thing today. So kshobhayamasa means he agitated, caused the ocean to be agitated. Okay. Sharaihi titya bhavachanam. Aditya Sannibhai. What kind of compound is Aditya Sannibhai?
Aditya Sannibhai is Upapada Samasa?
No, because Sannibhai
no.
When we saw in the Raghuvanshaka, we saw that.
Yeah.
Sannibhati is Sannibha. Means Sadrishaha. Take Aditya Sadrishaihi. What will compound with that? Aditya Sadrishaihi. Okay, let's go down. Is it Dvandva compound? No.
No.
Is it Avibhava? No. Vibhavrihi and Tatpurusha, what do you think it is? Let's give Vasudha a chance. She has Vasudha the answer. Let's see. Yes, Vasudha.
Because of Sannibhai, he Adityena Sannibhaha.
Very good, very good.
Tritiya.
Tritiya Tatpurushaha. Sannibha is an adjective again at the end. So it cannot be Bahuvri. So Sannibha is Sannibhati is Sannibha. It could be his adjective of somebody. So Adityena Sannibhaha. Adityena Sannibha means which were Sadrishaihi. So which were similar to or comparable with the sun. So that Sharaihi is qualifying Sharaihi. Aditya Sannibhaihi. So this is a Tritiya Tatpurushaha, means they were resembling the sun. Resembling the sun. Tritiya Tatpurushaha. Okay, in fact, let's see. So, okay, are you ready for this one, Vasudha?
Okay,
Good
sure.
for us?
Yes.
Okay, let us try. Okay.
ततः
Moving.
सुग्रीवः
How about moving? Having gone. Having gone.
moving. Okay,
Having
gatva.
gatva. To the shore. What's the word for the shore?
Shore. Tiram.
Tiram. Of the ocean. With of the ocean now.
Samudram.
No, Mahodadhehe.
Mahodadhehe. Okay.
Udadhi was, the,
Okay, Sasti. Mahodadhehe. Okay, of the ocean. Okay.
it's like Harehe.
Harehe.
Shashti, Shashti.
Ikara.
Okay. Accompanied by Sugriva.
Sugriva Sahitaha.
Sugriva Sahitaha. Shri Ramaha. I think it's from the context, I think understood here. Okay. So Sundarbha Labhyate. Sundarbha Labhyate. Because we are from the context. Then, what about then?
Then Tataha Samverani. Tataha.
Tataha. Very good. Tataha. Tataha. Then Shuk. Means he caused to be agitated. So that.
Sobhayamasa.
Shobhayamasa. The ocean.
Ocean. Samudram.
Samudram. How about this? It should be the bracket should start from here, by the way. The bracket should start from here because to its lowest depths in Patal, the nethermost subterranean plane, that should be in brackets, okay? It's not in the shloka. This is not really Kshobhayam. Because if you look at the commentary now, the bracket should start from here, I think, to its lowest depths. This should be the bracket should start from here because if you look at the Vyakhyanam, look, anything in the brackets in Gita Press commentaries is mostly from the Vyakhyanam. So Kshobhayamasa, Kshobhayam, Apatalam, Akuli Chakara. Apatalam, up to the Patala, Akuli Chakara, means Akulam means agitated him. So down up to the very depths of Patala. So Apatalam, Akuli Chakara. So Kshobhayamasa, Apatalam, Akuli Chakara. That's the commentary. But one more commentary on the shloka is that, of the complete translation, is that Yuddha Kanda Katha stuff from this shloka. Up to prior shloka was Sundar Kandam. Hanuman, he came back. So then he says, Tato Yuddha Kanda Katha Prasangaha. Yuddha Kanda is starting from here. Sundar Kanda Vrittam Samapya. Yuddha Kanda Vrittam Aha. So for the prior shloka and Sundar Kandam, so next comes this Yuddha Kandam starts from here. Okay. Then by his arrows, what is that?
Sharaihi.
Sharaihi. Then as glorious as the sun.
Aditya Sannibhaihi.
Aditya Sannibhaihi, very good. And in what you have in the brackets there again is the Vyakhyanam. On the latter, refusing to allow passage to the army of monkeys that sought to march across it in order to reach Lanka in the bid to recover Sita. This must be the translation of some Vyakhyanam. As you can see in the Vyakhyanam is that Sugriva Sahitaha Tiram Gatva, so Kshobhayamasa Anantaram Sugriva Sahita is Shatayojana Vistirnam Sindhoho Tiram Gatva Aditya Sannibhaihi Kshobhayamasa Apatalam. Says Sugriva Sahitaha Samudra Stiram Gatva Aditya Sannibhaihi Kshobhayamasa. So Etena, it says Etena Bana Vyaparat Purvam. Before he threatened him like that, Bana Vyaparat Purvam Lanka Marga Dane Samudrasya Anavadhanata Suchita. So it says Bana Vyaparat Purvam. Before Sri Rama employed the, before he employed the arrow, so Bana Vyaparat Purvam, Lanka Marga Dane, in the matter of giving passage to Lanka, Samudrasya Anavadhanata Suchita. The ocean was not paying attention to him at all. So that's why he had to employ the arrow. So that's all in the Vyakhyanam anyway. So, okay. So this is Yuddha Kanda, this Katha is starting from here. Let's take the next sutram. Darshayamasa Chatmanam Samudra Staritam Patihi Samudra Vachanachaiva Nalam Setuma Karayata. Okay, Karthik, try this one. Let's see what you get. So,
Darshayamasa is anuprayoga lit, like just like shobhayamasa.
just like Shobhayama. So dhatu drash means is to see. Darshi is to show. So Darshayamasa is Parthaya, Paramurukam Aishwaram, comes in Gita. Darshayamasa Parthaya. So means he showed to Arjunam the Vishwarupam. So Darshayama. So and looking, when you see this Anuprayoga lit, most of the time it's going to be a niche prayoga in there. Most will be causative. So Drish is to see, Darshi is to show. Darshayamasa means he showed, he revealed. Okay, go ahead.
Cha avyepadam. Atmanam.
Again, here
Dvitiya
the cha is a sambandhi padam, right? It means the connection with the prior verse.
Right.
Again, the connection will come, in English you put the top of the verse, and he showed, right? But here it will come one word later, or one clause later sometimes also. Darshayamasa cha, not cha darshayamasa. Because in English it comes in the beginning, here idiomatically it comes after, not in after the first word or the first clause, not in the very beginning. So, okay, Atmanam.
Atmanam is Dvitiya ekavachanam, Atman Pratipadikam.
So he revealed himself. Samudra, of course, Pratama ekavachanam. Saritam Patihi. What's the Pradipadi Saritam?
Sarit.
Sarit Pradipadikkam. Sarit. Again, probably maybe from Dhatu Stru, maybe that which moves. No. Sarit is a river, Nadi. Nadi Naam Patihi. This is kind of like mythological, because the Samudra is considered the Pati of all the rivers. So, Saritam Patihi Samudraha. Samudram. So this is what it means, that he came and revealed himself along with all his wives, kind of, almost like, in the Bhagavad Puranam you have this Kaliya, right? This who was tormenting all the people, I think Yamuna Nadi. So when Shri Krishna, when he dances on his hoods, then Kaliya comes with all his wives, he comes and to plead for mercy, So if you look at the commentators, say some of that, because Saritam Pati has been used. It says Saritam Pati Samudraha Atmanam Surupam Darshayamasa. It says somewhere I saw that. Atmanam Darshayamasa. She says Anena Rama Kopa Shantaye, means to pacify the anger of Sri Rama. Rama Kopa Shantaye Kaliyaha Iva. Like in the Bhagavad Puranam we had Kaliyaha Iva Samudraha Sapatnikaha, along with all his wives. Samagataha iti dhvanyate. Saritam Pati. Anyway, this is what the commentary they gave. So he came with his entire kind of family saying, please forgive me. So Saritam Pati. Okay, so that's qualifying Samudraha. Saritam is Shashti Bahuvachanam. Padipadikam Sarit. Padikam Sarit, not Sarita. It will become Saritanam, otherwise it becomes Saritanam. So it must be Sarit, Padipadikam Sarit. Okay. Samudra Vachanat is
Samudrasya Vachanat, Panchami ekavachanam and Shashti Tatpurusha.
Tatpurusha, very good. Straightforward compound is on the words, means this is a Hetau. Hetau is on account of, or that means the reason, so the causing, this is the cause, Hetau, on account of the words or the statement of the ocean. Cha eva is avyam, is avyam, cha eva is also chaiva. Nalam setumakarayata. Interesting form here, Karthik, for you. To give sutram for this, how did Nalam become Dvitiya here? Setumakarayata, because he made in English you would say he got the bridge built by Nalaha, or he made Nalaha build the bridge. Question is that, this is what we have seen before, if you recall it, I don't know if you recall that, when you have, this is a causative form. Akarayata, look at the aya again. Look at the aya coming in here. We won't go through all the steps again because we did in the class already. Dhatu kru. Kru becomes kari. Then comes the pratyaya shab, and the shabda's guna becomes kare. Of course, you bring the tip first because without tip shab cannot come. Then becomes the guna becomes kare. Echo yava sandhi becomes karayata. This aya again is the same form that we saw before in the prior page we saw. Nyavedayata. Nyavedayata. Same thing is happening in Karayata. Akarayata, I should say. Akarayata means he made him build. Karya is to do, but made him build. So, question is that, okay, what is the What is the anijavastha? Anijavastha. Aniyavastha. Pure Kartik.
Nalaha setum akarot. Setum akarot.
Setum akarot. So Nalaha built the bridge. So Nalaha was the doer when there was no prayojaka, no hetu behind him. When in the non-causative state, you have had Nalaha setum akarot. Nalaha built the bridge. Now comes Sri Ramaha, who is the hetu prayojakaha. He is now going to make Nala build the bridge. He is the prayojakaha. Now, technically speaking, that Nalaha was the karta. He still has kartrutvam. Even when the hetu comes behind him, he still has some choice to say yes or no. Oh, in this case, probably he has no choice. But grammatically, the anikarta still has swatantriyam. What does Panini say? Swatantra karta. So, unless your swatantriyam will not be a karta unless you have swatantriyam. So, Nala was the karta. Of course, when no hetu was there, of course, clearly he was karta. But now when Sri Rama came, he's saying, you build the bridge. So grammatically, he has still swatantra. He could have said no. Not in the story, but grammatically he could have said no. So now he's a karta who is anabhita. Because this anabhita means he's not connecting with the verb anymore. This akarayata is third person singular because of Ramaha, not because of Nala anymore. Akarayata is third person, is pratham purusha ekavachanam. Because of connection with Ramaha, not with Nalaha. Nala, I should say. So now this has become an anabhita karta. We will take a noun what Vibhakti Kartik, noun what Vibhakti would have come with him. What will take we should be in, if it's
Kartakaranayo
Tritiya. So Nalena should be Nalena Karayasa. But then come 1452-53. 1452-53. What happens to the Ani karta in the now? So Ni Avasthaya. That's the concept 1452-53. Remember two sutras, please. 1452-53 is when there is ani karta, whether he gets the karma sanya or not. Now, so ni avasthaya. So when the hetu comes behind him, will that karta who was there before the nich came, will he get the karma sanya? Of course, if he does, Karmani Dvitiya. Of course, you can see the form over here. Nalam is clearly Dvitiya Ekavachanam, obvious, right? Dvitiya Ekavachanam. So we better find something in 1452-53. Otherwise, by 2318, as Kartik said, Katsukarnayo Tritiya should be Nalena. Nalena Karayasa. Not Nalama Karayasa. But something has given the Karma Sanya for Nala. So therefore become Nalama Karayasa. So let's, in fact, here it's just very straightforward thing, because it says Rukro Anitarasyam. Rukroho Anitarasyam. Rukroho Anitarasyam. Very famous sutram. Well, maybe not that famous for you, but it's Rukroho Anitarasyam. Dhatu Ru or Kru, which is what we have right now. Akarayata. Anyatarasyam Karmasanya Bhavati. So Anikartuho. Anyatarasyam Karmasanya Bhavati. So means that Nala can take Dvitiya, can take Karma Sanya optionally. Of course, when Karma Sanya comes, 232 Karmani Dvitiya. So Nala can take the Karma Sanya optionally by 1450. This is a complex topic, but you have to understand that the Ani Karta remains, still has Kartrutvam when the Ni Avasthaya. As a default, he is Anabheta now clearly, but the verb is not going with him anymore. The verb connects with the Hetu, with Rama in this case. So what would happen to Nala in this avastha? Because Tritiya by default. But because of this 1452-53, 52 is important sutram. Gati buddhi pratyavasanartha shabda karma akarmakanam, which is that we won't go into details, but we can see that any akarmaka dhatu, any dhatu in dhatu gam, any gatyata dhatu gatyarthe. For example, balakaha shalam gacchati. This is the boy goes to school. Mata balakam shalam gamayati. The mother makes the boy go to school. Now the balaka was the karta. Didn't become balakhena. Gatyartha. Gati buddhi pratyavasanartha. Any dhatu in the sense of going, in the sense of understanding, in the sense of consuming, also eating, drinking, right? So those, all these dhatus will take the anikarta, you get the karma sanya when the hetu comes in the now, when the niche comes in there. So, but the next sutram says rukroho anyatarasyam, rukroho anyatarasyam, karma sanya. So we will come back. So here we have 1453. Could have been nalena also. Could have been nalam also. Nalam. So we again dviti, karma sanya and dvitiya by optionally. So nalam is 1453. Also look at 1452 is an important sutram which has a list of many kind of categories. And then of course we use 232. Karmi dvitiya. In the Vyakhyanam also they will start. That's important. But remember the shloka, by the way. I like this shloka. Nalam setumakarayata. Moment we said Ramayanam, Nalam setumakarayata, think of the Sutra 1453. Rukroho anyatarasyam. What does the Vyakhyanam say? Vyakhyanam, this is the same thing. They say, Nalena setumakaritawan ityartha. So first, Nalena setumakaritavan. In fact, Govindaraja gives a sutram also, he says. Both of them give it also. He says, Nalasya karmatvam, Nalasya karmatvam, which is what he's talking about. Nalasya karmatvam, rukroho anyatarasyam iti vihitam. So he says, Samudra vachana deva nalam setumakaryacha, he gives Nalena setumakarayamasa, rukroho anyatarasyam iti prayojakartuho karmatvam. Prayojakartu karmatvam. Prayojya, the one who's being instilled, the one who's being caused. Kartuhu karmatvam. Okay, so anyway, so remember sutram shlokaha nalam setumakarayata. Of course, setum is a karma anyway, that doesn't change. Nalam setumakarayata. So on the advice of the ocean, he made Nalaha build the bridge. Let me see if you can just see. Ready, Vasudha?
Ready, sir.
Okay. Let's start. Add this. The ocean, the Lord of rivers. What you have?
Saritam.
Patihi.
Saritam Patihi. Oh, Lord also. Okay. Saritam Patihi.
Yes, Saritam is correct. Of rivers is Saritam. Lord is Patihi. And ocean is what?
Samudraha.
Samudra. Very good. You're getting better at this. Practice. So not only revealed himself, but also apologized to him.
Darshayamasa.
Also,
Cha. Apologize, I do not find anything.
yeah, Darshayamasa, cha, the chakar balat. That should be in brackets, sorry, shouldn't it? So let's see what the commentator says, because they're saying also apologize to him. He says, from Nalena, from Darshayamasa, Sharakshobitaha. So when he was agitated by the arrows, then he showed himself. Let's see. Darshayamasa. Oh, yes, here's the commentary now. Now you know where it's coming from. Here it is. Chakarat. So cha shabda prayogat. Because the cha shabda has been used. Swa aparadha kshamapana vachanam samucharayamasa. One more time. Chakarat. Cha shabda prayogat. Swa aparadha kshamapana vachanam. Apologizing for his actions, for his fault. Samucharayamasa. So that's the commentary. So that's when the commentary is saying that not only did he show himself, but he also apologized for his wrongdoing. That's from the commentary. This is only from the cha. So he not only revealed himself, but also apologized for his refractoriness. Okay? And only at the intercession of the ocean. Okay, what is that? Which one is that, Vasudha?
In Eva only.
Yeah. Correct. Eva is
Samudra Vachanat. Samudra Vachanat Eva.
Correct. So ocean is Samudra, of course. Intercession is advice of the ocean. So Vachanat. And only is Eva. Now caused to build. So,
Akarayat.
Akaryat. Nala is, of course, Nalam. A bridge is Setum.
Setu.
Setumakaryat. So the only thing here is because the cha was used. They said not only did na kevalam darshayamasa, but parantu saparata kshamapana vachanam api ucharayamasa iti artha. from the context. That's the only thing they put in. So they put in the commentary. Sometimes they have to make choices. Thank you, sir. You have to make a choice. What to put from the commentary in the shloka. If you bear in mind, Gita Press, when they translate, they have not only one or two scholars. They have a lot of scholars who take all the commentaries. Then they make a decision, what to put in the translation, what not to put. So what goes in this commentary, a lot of work goes in here. Enormous amount of work and thought goes into these commentaries. This translation. And the commentary also, translation also. We're out of time. Let me just introduce the next shloka. We'll do it next time. Tena gatva purim lankam hatva ravana mahave. Again, the clauses, more and more tva pratyaya, because it's summary. This is a Sankshripta Ramayanam, right? So they have to use more and more of these tva pratyaya. Having done this, having done that, having done, then he did that. Because in one single sentence, they can cover a lot of ground. So that's why in this particular Sankshepaha, you can see a lot of pratyas, tva over and over again. So tena gatva purim. So having gone to Lanka by that, tena is setu now, by the setu. So having gone to there, gatva purim, purim lankam, hatva ravanam ahave, is that having killed Ravana in the battle, Ramaha Sitam anuprapya, having anum is paschat, having got Sita again, param vidam upagamata. Upagamat we saw before, this dhatu lung lakara here. The gum did not become gacha. The gum did not become gacha. This cannot be lung lakara. We talked in the class today that this cannot be lung because no sya pratyaya, and lung is very rare also. Between lung and lung, this cannot be lung because gum never became gacha. So agamat, after agamat could be agamat also, upagamat, has to be lung lakara. We did in the previous class, we've done that, upagamata, but it's also idiomatic in this language, is you go to a particular state. So he went to the state of being very bashful, very embarrassed. Means he felt very embarrassed. But you say that he went to extreme embarrassment. He came to extreme embarrassment. Means he was extremely embarrassed. Why was he embarrassed? We see next time. Lead the Vyakhyanam quickly, is that he says, and we stop with that, is he says, Raksho gruhe chiroshitam punar grihitavan iti lokapavada shankaya atishayitam lajjam upagamata. One more time, it is Raksho gruhe chiroshitam. So Sita had lived in the Rakshasa house for a long time. Punar grihitavan. So he accepted Sita even though she lived in Rakshasa's house for a long time. Raksho gruhe chiroshitam. Iti loka apavada shankaya. People would criticize him like that he did that. Atishayitam lajjam upagamata. He became extremely embarrassed. So we see this next time. Maybe some homework, upagamat, revise for upagamat, because this form came. Notice this form, that he went to a particular state, comes in Sanskritam a lot. Rather than, so in English he became embarrassed. One more, of course, anuprapya, gatva, hatva, three of them. So purim gatva, ravanam hatva, sitam anuprapya, vitam upaga. So only one karta Ramaha with four actions. Having gone to Lanka, having killed Ravana, having obtained Sita again, then he went to extreme embarrassment. We'll do the detail next time. So this is December 11. This is the second class, Ramayanam class, from 4:30 to 6. And next class will be on December 25, usual timing, 2:30 to 4, 4:30 to 6. So we'll do Mangalacharanam again, December 11. This is 4:30 to 6. Next class, December 25. We'll upload the documents after the class, for the Sutta Suchi, Udharana Suchi also we'll do it. Okay. So Ramo Rajamanistada Vijayate Ramam Ramesham Bhaje. Ramena Vijata Nishachara Chamu Ramaya Tasmai Namaha. Rama Nasti Paranam Parataram Ramanada Sosmyaham. Rame Chittale Sada Bho Rama Mudhara. Rama Rameti 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 Rame Manorame. Sasanama Tattalyam Ramanama Varanane. Shri Ramanama Varanana Onnamaiti. I hope all of you are on the email list of getting the examples every day. Please practice, and everything is recorded, everything is archived. Even if you miss a few days or a few weeks or a few months, doesn't matter. on the archives. You can come back and also everything is searchable, by the way. Everything on the website is searchable. So I hope, and you can stop the recording, but